Hi. Hey, go back to playing with your thing. Say hi. No, Matt, Nicholas. Go back to playing with your car. You like that? Yeah. Where are you going? Hi. You are high energy right now, young man. Hey, Nicholas, can you go back and play with your push cart or whatever it's called? Oh, thank you. Did you bring that to Mommy? Okay, this is no